Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the larger, background image first so positioning is predictable. Insert the main picture via Insert Pictures and pick your file. This establishes a reference layer. Once done, insert the second, smaller picture the same way. Word stacks new images above existing ones. Make sure both images use wrap text in front of text so you can drag freely. This step creates two independent objects you can move, resize, and align to compose your picture-in-picture layout. Now focus on the middle work, resizing and aligning. You should hold Shift while dragging a corner to preserve aspect ratio so the overlay doesn't distort. Once sized, use Format Position and align to snap it to corners or center. This ensures consistency across slides or pages. If the overlay needs trimming, use Picture Format Crop to remove edges or create a mask shape. These controls let you craft a clean inset that reads like a single composed image. Finish by locking your work and polishing the visual match. Select both images and group them so they move as one. This prevents accidental misalignment. Then fine-tune color, brightness, or add a drop shadow from picture format to make the overlay pop and match the base image. If the overlay appears behind text or vanishes, make sure wrap text is in front of text and check the selection pane order. Grouping and format adjustments keep the composition stable and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.